Update on our birdies. They're doing good. There's Hie-hie. Still doing good. And this one, good news. We have 2 names. If this one's a girl, Marilyn. If it's a boy, Marlin. That's as far as we got. We're still waiting to figure out the gender, but we got 2 names. Marilyn for a girl, or Marlin if it's a boy. Yeah, so that's some good news for this one. But some sad news. My daughter tried to feed the birdies, and if you notice, camera's not in here. He escaped. We tried to get him back in, but he got out our window. We have seeds around, hoping he'll come back. Still checking outside, looking for him, but we got these guys. We still have AM and PM. Their cage is moved to another spot in the room. Yeah. Well, these guys are doing good. Just hope camera makes it home.